Chapter 8, Answer Key. Here are the answers to the transactions and reports in the previous chapter. If you are unsure why you got one or more wrong, email me. November transactions, checking 1, 2, 3, 4. Materials and needles, she spent $62.75, which goes to COGS. Groceries, she spent $25.49, which goes to owner's pay. Brent Stratham, she spent $650, which goes to rent. Myrtle Cosner, she spent $415.59, which goes to wages. Social media ad, she spent $375, which goes to advertising. Quilt Me 1-2, she received $1,294.65, which goes to online sales. Power and Light, she spent $89.45, which goes to utilities. Transfer, she spent $1,200, which goes to owner's pay. Office pens and paper, she spent $24.16, which goes to office supplies. Sewing Machines Plus, she spent $284.72, which goes to COGS. Quilt Me 1-2, she received $784.16, which goes to online sales. POS, she received $751.29, which goes to store sales. Discount Fabric, she spent $52.49, which goes to COGS. Discount Batting, she spent $72.96, which goes to COGS. Quilt Me 1-2, she received $2,349.82, which goes to online sales. Myrtle Cosner, she spent $415.59, which goes to wages. POS, she received $1,531.49, which goes to store sales. Water Bros, she spent $46.15, which goes to utilities. Material and Needles, she spent $62.82, which goes to COGS. Discount Fabric, she spent $165.46, which goes to COGS. Discount Batting, she spent $372.84, which goes to COGS. Vendor Booth, she spent $746.19, which goes to advertising. The Best Restaurant, she spent $42.49, which goes to meals. Quilt Me 1-2, she received $426.49, which goes to online sales. Credit card payment, she spent $134, which goes to credit card. POS, she received $985.26, which goes to store sales. Discount Fabric, she spent $814.72, which goes to COGS. Transfer, she spent $1,200, which goes to owner's pay. Savings, she spent $750, which goes to savings. The total change, she spent $8,002.87. She received $8,123.16. The total change is $120.29 added to the checking account. Profit and loss, November 1st, 2021 through November 30th, 2021. Income, online sales, $4,855.12. Store sales, $3,268.04. Total income, $8,123.16. Cost of goods sold. COGS, $1,888.76. Total cost of goods sold, $1,888.76. Gross profit, $6,234.40. Expenses. Advertising, $1,121.19. Meals, $42.49. Office expenses, $24.16. Rent or lease, $650. Utilities, $135.60. Wages, $831.18. Total expenses, $2,804.62. Net income, $3,429.78. Balance sheet as of November 30th, 2021. Assets. Checking account 1234, $5,588.84. Savings account 000, $11,968.24. Cash on hand, $550. Accounts receivable, 0. Total assets, $18,107.08. Liabilities. Credit card, $131.88. Accounts payable, 0. Total liabilities, $131.88. Equity. Opening balance equity, $2,561.72. Owner's investment, $3,147.93. Owner's pay, negative $10,201.98. Retained earnings, $10,520.30. Net income, $11,947.23. Total equity, $17,975.20. Total liabilities plus equity, $18,107.08.